How about a motor collection? 427 SOHC, supercharged 57 312, 300 horsepower. Another 312, 429 drag pack motor, Super Cobra Jet. A 427 medium riser, 425 horsepower. A 390 out of like a Thunderbird Sport Coupe or Sport Roadster. I think they're 335 horsepower, but this is an M code, so it's got tri-power. And this is a 61 type 390, 401 horsepower, like out of a 61 Galaxy. This is another drag pack 429 Super Cobra Jet, and a flathead with a Latham supercharger and Kong heads. Please give me a thumbs up and watch to the end. And another 429 Cobra Jet. And a 383 Mercury, I believe, like 1957. And another one. And this one here has the super rare Marauder 400 horsepower air cleaner. 54 Shiv pre-production for 55 Shiv engine, 265. Tri-Power 389 Pontiac motor. A Tri-Power 348 Chevrolet motor. Another single overhead cam motor, and a J2 Oldsmobile motor, 57.8.